Hello guys, good day. How are you doing? I hope everybody is all doing fine. Let's do this, guys. We're going to dismantle this. We're going to dismantle this counterweight, guys. Tower crane counterweight. That is the tower crane. We're going to dismantle the counterweight. Here we go, guys. There is one now. I just removed one piece of the tower crane counterweight. See, we are doing this, guys, because we are dismantling this tower crane. So in just a few while, you'll be seeing now as I'm going to bring it to the ground. You see the shadow now? It's coming out. Tower crane counterweight. So this is the procedure when you're dismantling a tower crane. First is you'll have to remove the counterweight. Before the counterweight mast is going to be bring down, first is you have to remove the counterweight. One face now is removed. Bring it down.